Good morning to all. I welcome you. The third session of any woman. The last session I explained you the meaning of first stanza. I'm reminding you again the meaning of the first stanza. In the first stanza, Catherine Tynan compares her mother with the pillars of the house and with the keystone of an arch. If there is no pillars, the keystone of the arch, the entire house will be collapsed. In the same manner, if there is no mother, the people in the house will not be happy, will not solve their problems. They become sad. Who becomes sad? All the people in the home, the children and all the family members become sad. Is it clear? That is the meaning of the first stanza. This is the second stanza and the third stanza. In the second stanza, I explained already. Catherine Tynan used metaphor. Figures of speech. What is that? Metaphor. The main metaphor is house, and sub metaphors used. What is that? The pillars like archstone. And here also, what is that? In this stanza, she used three metaphors. The metaphors in three lines. The first one is I am the fire upon the earth. It is H-E-A-R-T-H means hearth. Hearth means what is that? A fireplace. This is called fireplace. This word was in 10th class, I think second unit, that is Dear Departed. Grandfather's slippers were kept at the fireplace. By whom? By his son-in-law. Okay, a fireplace. What is that? Hearth means a fireplace. So this fireplace was kept cold countries where there is a weather always cool or chilled. So to keep warm their bodies and warm their houses, they keep they maintain fireplace in the bedroom or in the main room in the house. Where the people are spending a lot of time together. Is it clear? That is called fireplace. So here in the first line, Catherine Tynan, the poetess, compares her mother with the fire upon the hearth. What is that? Fire upon the hearth. This fire, she compared a mother with the fire upon the hearth. And next one, see, Catherine Tynan compares a mother with the light of the good sun. The light of the good sun. So why the poetess used good sun? Actually, sun is good, no doubt at all. We are living because of the sun. Is it clear? But why does she used what is the word good sun? The adjective good to describe the sun. Because we know that the light of the sun is always not good. Okay? Sometimes the light of the sun is good, and other times it's not good. It harms the human beings and it harms the living beings on the earth. And I think you know that the time is and the early morning. The light of the sun is good. It's good for health, and it's enjoyable for all human beings and all living beings like plants and other animals. Is it clear? And the evening also. The light in the evening, the light of the sun in the evening is enjoyable. Okay, it's good for all living beings. The animals can enjoy the play, and the human beings, human child, children, the light of the evening sun. But the midday, the light of the sun is severe. It's very hot. Okay, so because of the what is that the light, the heavy light of sun in the midday gives a sunstroke to what is that human beings, and some animals may die of hunger, what is the thirsty, because of what is that heavy sunshine in the midday of sun, in the midday, heavy sunshine of the sun in the midday, in the midday. So that is the reason why he used what is that the good sun. The good sun means what is that in the early morning up to 10 or 9 the sun is good because it gives a good light. What is that? The light of the sun is good to all living beings. So, and another one in the evening, sun is good. It is not according to me, it is according to who? Catherine Tynan. Catherine Tynan. So she compares a mother with the light of the good sun. She doesn't compare the light of what is the sun all the time. She compares the light of the sun, light of the good sun, light of the good sun. I think you catch my point. And next one, I am the heat that warms the heart. I am the heat. In the third line, she compares what is that mother with the heat that warms the heart. So compares the heat. She compares with the heat which warms the heart. If there is no heat in the warm, there is no heat, there is no life. Because of the heat, we have lives. We have flora and fauna. We have what is that green grass and green trees and green what is that green leaves. Is it clear? Because of this what is that heat which warms the earth. There is no heat. What will happen? The earth become cold and chilled. So no life is or no seed gets what is that sapling. Am I right? So because of the heat, the sapling which is in the earth gets sapling. It becomes a small plant and it grows and it gives what is the flowers and the fruits. Nuts and becomes fruits. Because of the what is that flora, the animals are surviving, the human beings are surviving. We get rains. Is it clear? So that is the reason why here Catherine Tynan compares the mother with what is that heat which warms the earth. So all three things are good. Here, see, why does she use the fire upon the earth means, upon the earth means, say she used to live or she lives in an island. In the island, the weather is always cold. Always cold. The people who are living in the cold countries, they know the value of the warmness or warmer. Is it clear what I am saying? They know the value of fire, so that she compares the mother with what is that? The fire, which keeps the entire home warm. Come to the significance of the poem, the actual meaning of actual sense of Catherine Tynan, why she used these three words like fire, light, and heat. See, the fire keeps the entire home happy, warm. In the same manner, the mother keeps all the family members in the home happy. Is it clear what I am saying? So and another one, the fire warms all the entire house. In the same manner, the mother warms nothing but makes happy all the children, all the family members. And next one, see, I am the light of the good sun. So I think the difference between light and darkness, light symbolizes the goodness, symbolizes what is that love, and whereas darkness symbolizes sadness and the gloomy. And another one, darkness symbolizes Satan, nothing but devil. So I am the light of the good sun. What is the reason why? Means here the mother gives success to all the people. all nothing but all the people in the home. Is it clear? Mother gives happiness to all family members in the home. The home, like nothing but what is that? Success also. All positive things. All positive things. And another one, I strike in my mind. Here, light means she she gives directions. Who gives directions? Mother only gives direction to her children. Her children. And another one, I am the heat that warms the heart. So your mother acts like a one source which helps the all children become successful in all kinds of things. She supports. Who supports? A children. Mother supports her children. Mother supports her children. How heat warms the heart to make or to get what is that flora on the earth, on the earth. See here, the same manner, the mother helps all children to get success in their lives, to get success in their life, and mother helps all children. What is that? To become happy, to make all children happy in all aspects. Which else you are colder than stone? Come here. These two lines. I am the heat that warms the heart. Which else? There is no heat. What will happen? The earth become colder. The earth become colder. The earth was colder than a stone. The earth was colder than a stone. Is it clear? If there is no heat, what will happen? The earth become cold. And the earth was what is that? Colder than the stone. Colder than the stone. If you get that, if you take what is that stone in the early morning or in the evening time, if you keep the stone on your skin, you feel it is what is that? Very cool. Very cool. In the same manner, if there is no heat, the earth become what is that? Cool or cold or chill. Is it clear what I am saying? Here heat and cold compares with what is that? Negative things like sadness, gloomy, suffering, problems. See, and here cold and warm refers to what is that? Happiness, sadness, success, all the things. There is no heat, the house become cold. There is no mother in the home. What will happen? The house become cold. At the same cold in the sense, and the people in the house become what is that? Sad or unhappy. They are in the troubles always. They never come out of these troubles. They are always facing the trouble. Who always? The people in the home. There is no mother. There is no mother in the home. All the people, all the children, all the family members become sad. They don't know happiness. They don't have smile on their face because there is no mother. Because there is no mother. This is the meaning of the first stanza. See, in the stanza, Catherine Tynan compares mother with the fire upon the hearth and the light of the good sun, the heat that warms the heart. And come to the next stanza. At me. Here me means who is that? I means mother. And here me means what is that? Me. At me. At me the children warm their hands. Here they means what is that? The children hands. At me the children warm their hands. And the light of love alive. Without me cold the heart stone stands. Nor could the precious children thrive. At me. In the lap of her mother, the children gets a happiness. The children get what is that? A relief from their problems. Is it clear? At me, the children warm their hands. How people get so warm from the heart stove, or what is that? Heart or a fire in the heart. In the same manner, all the children what is that? Get warm their hands. Nothing but they become happy. they become happy. If any child in the family faces a problem, or if any child is going through the sufferings, he doesn't know how to handle the problem. So there is only one source to revealing their problems to only one person, that is the mother. Children can share any kind of problem with the mother, but all children will not go to father directly and will not share their problems with their father. The only source of getting relief from all the problems for the children is mother. So here said that is the reason why Catherine Tynan explains, at me the children warm their hands. At me the children warm their hands. Whenever they feel sad, they come to me and they get happiness. They can share their feelings, and after sharing their feelings, they become happy. They become happy. And here, I am the light of love. Whose light of? Their. Their means here children or the family members. I am their light of love. I am their source of love. I am the source of love. I am the source of success for all children and all family members in the home. I am the source of their happiness. I am the source of their joyfulness. Is it clear? So here, I am their light. Here she uses another metaphor, that is, I am their light of love. Alive. A long mother in the home, the children become happy. The children become lovable. They have a good nature, and their future will become bright. They got success, and their love and their emotions are alive. How long mother is in the home? How long the mother is in the home? ఎంతవరకు ఒక హౌస్లో ఒక మదర్ ఉంటారో వాళ్ళ పిల్లల యొక్క కానీ ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ యొక్క ప్రేమ కానీ ఎమోషన్స్ కానీ హ్యాపీనెస్ కానీ ఎనీథింగ్ విల్ be alive. Will be alive. Will be alive. That is, without me. Come here. Without me. Without me. Here, me means here mother. But actual meaning, what is that? I am the fire. Without me, the fire means without the fire. Without the fire upon the hearth, what will happen? The hearth stone stands cold. So this is the first, and this is the second. This pot is the first one, this pot is the second one. Without me, this is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. Without me, the stone stands cold. If there is no heat in the heart, there is no fire in the heart, what will happen? The heart stone becomes cold. The heart stone stands cold. The stones in the heart become cold. There is no fire in the If there is no stone, if there is no fire, what will happen? The stones become cold. The stones become cold. In the same manner, if there is no mother in the home, what will happen? The entire house become cold. Nothing but entire house become sad. And here, nor could precious children thrive. There is no mother in the home. What will happen? The children will not develop properly. Will not learn a good manners. They don't know what is right and what is wrong. They don't know how to behave with the elder people. They don't have good clothes. They don't know good behavior. There is no mother. If there is no mother, the children become thieves, or smugglers, or a terrorist, or any other thing. So when there is a mother, the mother completely takes the responsibility of her children. Okay, so when our child feels feels what is that? Feels sadness. She feels, or she will be hurt. She will be hurt. Is it clear? When children feel unhappy, she become unhappy. She become unhappy. It is an interconnected thing. The relation between the mother and the children. Mother and the children. Whatever will happen to children, the same she feels. The same thing will happen to her. Is it clear? That is the thing here. If there is no mother, what will happen? A stone stands cold, nothing but the entire house become cold. Here cold, I said, cold in the sense what is the sufferings, the problems, or sadness, or a gloomy. Is it clear? So that is, there is no mother, the entire people in the home become sad. And another one, there is no mother, what will happen? So no precious children. Try means develop. Develop or grow. No children grow properly. There is no mother, no children will grow properly, will develop properly. They don't know what is right and what is wrong. Is it clear? That is the meaning of circumstance. At me here means what is that? In the lap of mother, her children become happy. In the lap of her mother, the children, what is that? Get a relief from all their problems. I am the light of their love. I am the source. Here, mother is the only one source to get happy, to make their love alive. Okay, without me, the cold arrested. Without mother, the home become gloomy and sad. No children in the home will not develop properly. Will not develop properly. This is the meaning of both stanzas. I think you understand it. Thank you very much.